Good evening, all dear students of SIIT Engineering College, EX Department. I am Devin Tiwari, Assistant Professor in EX Department, presenting you my YouTube video lecture number 7 on the topic analog instruments, analog measuring instruments. So I am sharing my screen to you. So we'll move to my topic analog measuring instruments. So we will move to next slide. What are analog measuring instruments? So in measurement, in instrumentation, there are lots of instruments which are to be studied. We are having our topic analog measuring instruments. So first we will see what are measuring instruments. The instruments used for measuring the physical and electrical quantities is known as the measuring instrument. The term measuring means the comparison between the two quantities of the same unit. The magnitude of one of the quantity is unknown and it is compared with the predefined value. The result of the comparison obtained regarding a numerical value. So what is analog instrument? The instrument whose output varies continuously is known as the analog instrument. The analog instrument has the pointer which shows the magnitude of the measurable quantities. The analog device classifies it into two types. First one is null type instrument and second one is deflection type instrument. So what is null type instrument? In this instrument, the zero or null deflection indicates the magnitude of the measured quantity. The instrument has high accuracy and sensitivity. In the null deflection instrument, the one known and one unknown quantity used. When the value of the known and the unknown measuring quantities are equal, the pointer shows the zero or null deflection. The null deflection instrument is used in the potentiometer and in galvanometer for obtaining the null point. Next slide. Deflection type instrument. The instrument in which the value of measuring quantity is determined through the deflection of the pointer is known as the deflection type instrument. The measuring quantity deflects the pointer of the moving system of the instrument, which is fixed on the calibrated scale. Thus, the magnitude of the measured quantity is known. In this way, we will get the magnitude of the measured quantity by the movement of the pointer. That means pointer will deflect towards the value of the measured quantity. That means it shows the measured quantity by the deflection of the pointer. The deflection type instrument is further sub-classified into three types: indicating instrument, integrating instrument, and recording instrument. We will move to next slide in which we will see what are these three types of instrument. First is indicating instrument. The instrument which indicates the magnitude of the measured quantity is known as the indicating instrument. The indicating instrument has the dial which moves on the graduated dial. The voltmeter, ammeter, power factor meter are the examples of the indicating instrument. That means they will indicate the value, whatever you are measuring. Second one is integrating instrument. The instrument which measures the total energy supplied at a particular interval of time is known as the integrating instrument. The total energy measured by the instrument is the product of the time and the measures electrical quantities. The energy meter, watt hour meter, and the energy meter are the examples of integrating instrument. That means they are having two quantities. They are measuring two quantities at a time, that such as watt and hour, watt hour meter, and in energy meter its unit is kilowatt hour, watt and hour. Likewise, we can also have ampere hour meter for battery measurement. So these are the examples of integrating instrument. That means two quantities at the same time. Number third is recording instrument. The instrument records the circuit condition at a particular interval of time is known as the recording instrument. The moving system of the recording instruments carries a pen which lightly touches on the paper sheet. The movement of the coil is traced on the paper sheet. The curve drawn on the paper shows the variation in the measurement of the electrical quantities. So this comes in the type of recording instruments. So in this way, analog instruments are classified. Thank you very much.